Has Elisabeth Fritzl spoken about her experience publicly?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing whether Elisabeth Fritzl, the victim of a notorious case, has spoken about her experience publicly. This case shocked the world and brought attention to the horrifying reality some people face. So, let's dive in and find out if Elisabeth Fritzl has shared her story with the public.
The Elisabeth Fritzl case.
To provide some context, Elisabeth Fritzl is an Austrian woman who was held captive by her own father, Joseph Fritzl, for 24 years in a concealed basement. During this time, she endured physical and emotional abuse and was subjected to repeated sexual assault. Elisabeth gave birth to several children while in captivity, some of whom were raised by Joseph Fritzl and his wife above ground, without knowledge of the true circumstances.
Immediate aftermath.
After Elisabeth Fritzl's release from captivity in 2008, she received extensive medical and psychological care to begin the process of healing and recovery. Given the traumatic nature of her experience, it is understandable that she needed time and space to process her ordeal.
Privacy and confidentiality.
Elisabeth Fritzl has chosen to maintain a high level of privacy following her release. She has not made any public statements or given interviews about her experience. It's important to respect her decision to remain private, as she deserves the right to live her life away from the public eye after enduring such a harrowing ordeal.
Legal proceedings and testimonies.
During the legal proceedings against Joseph Fritzl, Elisabeth Fritzl provided testimonies in court. Her statements were crucial in establishing the truth of the case and securing a conviction against her father. However, these testimonies were given in a closed courtroom and were not made public.
Focus on healing and rebuilding.
Since her release, Elisabeth Fritzl has focused on rebuilding her life and providing a nurturing environment for her children who were born in captivity. It's important to acknowledge the strength and resilience she has shown throughout her journey of recovery. In conclusion, Elisabeth Fritzl has chosen to maintain her privacy and has not spoken about her experience publicly. It is crucial to respect her decision and allow her the space to heal and rebuild her life. The focus should be on supporting survivors of such traumatic experiences rather than sensationalizing their stories. Let's remember to approach these sensitive topics with empathy and understanding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video provided some clarity on the topic.